eggs turn up kind of white on the screen here. But they're not, they're blue. So these are all blue and olive eggs, some with speckles, some ombre, but let's see if I can get it to show how blue they are. But I'm just loading the incubator back up, and all of the eggs that look white on here are blue. And these are all from my neighbor. I wanted some more color in my egg basket. Let's see if I can. So we're adding more blues in. Very excited about this batch. Locked and loaded. T-minus 21 days. We'll have new baby beep beeps. Are you excited, Bee? Yes. Sourdough porter wheat getting stretched and folded. This is its third stretch and fold. It'll get stretched and folded 6 times before its first proof or bulk ferment, as they would call it. Hey guys, welcome back to Ashley's Homestead Adventures. So exciting stuff happening today. We got our blue Easter eggers, blue-green eggers from our neighbor. Put them in the incubator to add some more color to my flock, and just something from, you know, outside. I've been hatching a lot internal from my farm, and I wanted to bring some outside blood in without ordering online. And I mean, you can. We have great options, even in every single video description of mine. There is this old farm, and she delivers beautiful eggs. She's extremely smart. She's good at chicken algebra, if you know what I mean. If you know what chicken math is, that lady knows chicken algebra. She's a wonderful source of information, and she sells beautiful, beautiful eggs and ships them. And McMurray Hatchery is fairly close to me, and I can get eggs or chicks from them if I want to, but I just wanted to try this first. So my beautiful neighbor came over and dropped off 22 cute little blue and olive eggs for me, and we're going to add some new blood to our flock. So excited about that. And then of course it is my day off, so I am in the middle of making bread. So sourdough porter wheat has been started, and we're in the middle of stretching and folding on it. And we're headed out to the farm to just do farmy things. I'm in the middle of chores. I'm in the middle of catching up from a couple days off. And so I've got buku to pick up. And I've got a load of feed in my truck that we went and got in yesterday's video. And so I need to get that unloaded, chicken feed mixed, all the things. So I'm gonna quit standing here talking. Thank you for being here, and come along. Let's go. What's up, Popsy Dopsy Dog? Much better. Thanks for letting me borrow your scrubby. This is the why I seem so scrambled all the time. Because I am. It's also why I set alarms. When you're stretching and folding sourdough bread every 15 minutes or every 30 minutes, and sometimes you have more than 2 loaves going at a time, you tend to do a lot of back and forth. But again, that's how I get my steps in. It's also how I keep my hands extremely clean. Good news is, after this one, it's 30-minute stretch and folds. It doesn't take very long. She is over there getting a drink. Oh no. She's not getting a drink? Billie Jean? You rascal! I guess this is your way of asking. Well, look out, let me in. Let me in. Good girl. Thank you. Don't walk away from me. I'm telling you. They keep me going. Okay. See, and I forgot to set my alarm because I was too concerned about what she was doing over here. Playing with her water. We'll use that in our chicken feed as well as in Billie Jean's feed. Soybean meal is very, very high in protein. That's the main reason why I buy it. Crude protein is 47%. I usually try to mix all my feed, but it's become a little bit of a pain in the rear end because I have to go to so many places to do it. And so I just do the best I can. Also called sweet feed, all grain. And that is primarily for Billie Jean. This is Milo. I'd never heard of it until I moved here. freaking farm dogs, man. No, don't go anywhere with that. I'm taking it. Don't touch that. I would show it to you guys, but it's decapitated. I can honestly say that's my first rat that I've ever seen. I knew that they were here. Just had never seen one before, and that one didn't have a head, so won't be a problem anymore. Really see it's starting to take shape now. It's time to make dinners up. What are you guys being blowy about? Hmm? Any answers? No? Velvet's ready to go in. there it is. And I'll cover it and it will sit on the counter and do its bulk fermentation overnight. Looks like I'm starting to lose helpers every time I go inside. Being a barn cat? Yeah. Yep. I can't even touch you. What are you doing? Goofy dog. Where'd you come from? Why are you so excited? Okay, I forgot one thing. And that is that I need to push up the compost. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the tractor and do that real quick. I know that this particular pile doesn't look that wet, and that's just because it's the new one, but I promise you that underneath all of those compost piles, it gets really, really mucky because the water runs off the barn, and that's kind of the purpose of having those there, is the barn waters our compost piles for us. But because of that, I don't do any like compost pile rotation after it's rained, and it did rain just today, and it rained yesterday, and it rained the day before, so it's okay for me to push up this pile. I didn't do any damage or muck out anything up or get stuck, heaven forbid. If I get stuck, right now there's nobody to come to my rescue because my neighbors are all gone too, so there's not, well, not all of them. I probably could find somebody, but I don't want to get my tractor stuck. You know my point. So anyway, this will work for now. This gives me some space to go ahead and dump more manure and let it dry out a little bit, and then we'll turn the compost piles sometime coming up pretty soon. I'm gonna go ahead and get Velvet some hay. She doesn't have enough for the night. The one thing about having animals, doesn't matter if you do it today or if you do it tomorrow, you're still going to have the same amount of stuff to pick up. And sometimes, most of the time, it's easier to just do it every day. Sometimes your girl needs a day off, you know? I mean, I love it, but there are just times when my back does not feel like doing anything with that wheelbarrow. So, but I always regret it. The next day I'm always just like, ah, gosh darn it. Now I have, you know, twice as much to pick up. So off we go. Chance pooped in his water trough, so we had to dump it and clean it. All right, well, we have reached that time of day once again where it is time to bring the kids in. And shut the farm down for the evening. It is warm enough, or at 85 degrees. Quite humid, so it's warm enough to turn everybody's fans on before they come in. Pretty good dog. Well, you guys, it was another good day here on the farm, the hobby farm, the homestead, the whatever you want to call it. I appreciate you guys coming along with me. As you know, I still got stuff to do, but I'm going to end this with you guys here. And I hope that you guys had a beautiful day. I'll catch you on the next one. Yours truly. Just a happy dog. He's just a happy dog. He's just a happy dog. He's just a happy dog. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. You're a good boy, Hopsy. You're a good dog. You're a good dog. Yes, you are. What doing? Oh, you're flinging mud all over me. You're flinging mud all over me.